Ever wondered what it actually costs to build a starfaring vessel? Not just the sci-fi fantasy price tag, but the real-world, astronomical figures involved in constructing a machine capable of escaping Earth's gravity? Well, buckle up, because the answer is as vast and complex as space itself. When we talk about the cost of one spaceship investment, we're not just discussing the raw materials, though those are certainly significant. We're delving into decades of research and development, groundbreaking engineering, meticulous testing, and the incredible human capital required to bring such a monumental project to life. Take, for example, the Space Shuttle program. NASA spent an estimated $10.6 billion to develop the Space Shuttle and its components in their time. Adjusted for inflation, that figure soars to around $49 billion in 2020 dollars. This wasn't for one single shuttle, but for the entire system, including the orbiters, engines, external tanks, and solid rocket boosters, plus all the facilities needed to build, launch, and process them. That's a colossal investment for a reusable spacecraft. Now, let's look at more recent private ventures. SpaceX's Starship, a fully reusable rocket designed for deep space travel, has already seen over $2 billion invested in its development by Elon Musk's company. While the ultimate goal is to drastically reduce launch costs through reusability, the upfront investment in pioneering this technology is immense. Some estimates suggest the total development cost could even reach $10 billion. Even for a single launch, current estimates for Starship are around $100 million, though Musk hopes to eventually bring that down to $10 million or even less. Compare that to traditional, government-funded projects. NASA's Space Launch System, or SLS, has cost approximately $11.8 billion in development since 2011, with each launch estimated to cost around $2 billion. These figures highlight the different approaches to space exploration, the more standardized, cost-plus contracts of government agencies versus the risk-taking, rapid development of private companies aiming for disruptive innovation. It's clear that the cost isn't just about the physical craft. It encompasses the intellectual property, the testing failures, the advanced manufacturing processes, and the highly specialized workforce. From designing the perfect alloy to engineering engines that can withstand extreme temperatures, every component represents a significant financial outlay. Furthermore, factors like the size of the spacecraft, its intended mission, low Earth orbit, Mars, or beyond, and its reusability all heavily influence the final price tag. So, while the dream of space travel becomes increasingly tangible, the investment required to make it a reality remains truly staggering. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring desire to explore the cosmos, no matter the cost. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.